Greetings. I hope you're all in fine fettle. I'm going to talk a bit about what's happening on a cellular level, why it makes us feel the way we do, and how we can make things easier for ourselves. So stick around till the end to find out how we can change an unconscious reaction into a conscious response. We've been conditioned to become triggered into a lower vibration when whatever arises brings discomfort. It's a deeply ingrained reaction cycle. We have to make a conscious effort to train ourselves to step into and observe from neutrality whenever feelings threaten to overwhelm us. And knowing we have this positive response in our toolbox lessens the threat. The intensity you may be feeling right now is coming from stronger light codes that are coming through us, stimulating at a cellular level. The memories within the cells are released and we become aware of thoughts and feelings and limiting beliefs about ourselves. We may feel like we're being stripped of our essence, and yes, it is uncomfortable, but hold faith, because by letting this play out, we're being purged of the burden of the negative vibrations and making space for the new higher vibrations that are here to enhance our consciousness. It's much easier said than done, of course. For example, when we're in the midst of self-doubt, it's harder to believe we're worthy and capable because we've become lower on the vibrational scale due to our reaction to that which is surfacing. It is really important, therefore, to respond to thoughts and emotions by simply observing them and allowing them to pass. It is this observing that we come to know the true nature of thoughts and emotions. They're temporary, changing, and they only linger because we as creators automatically focus our creative energy on replaying the same old reaction. So with a balanced response and intent to disrupt the pattern, we begin to increase the odds in our favour, and there can be a more positive outcome. Until next time, Namaste.